Hey loves, welcome to my channel Dima again, and I'm back with another interesting video. Today I'll be sharing with you the best leave-in spray in the history of DIYs. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and lastly, share. On this channel we are all about growing the healthiest hair with 100% natural ingredients. Please keep on watching and I'll be right back. You're welcome back. So our first ingredient is aloe vera. It is no longer news that aloe vera is one of the best remedies for natural hair growth. For this leave-in spray, it's definitely going to be our first ingredient. If you haven't come across using aloe vera juice for your hair yet, then you are seriously missing out. Aloe vera has huge benefits if you're set on really nurturing your hair in order for it to grow healthily. If you are unsure of the benefits that aloe vera juice can provide, then you must keep watching. You won't be disappointed. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer for natural hair, helps with strengthening and repairing hair strands. It's a magic for itchy scalp and dandruff, helps with hair growth, can be used to help cleanse your hair. So after prepping the aloe vera by dicing it into cubes, I will go ahead and get a clean jar and then transfer the cubes, the diced aloe vera cubes, into the jar. Please make sure to wash your aloe vera to remove impurities and microorganisms embedded in it. So our next ingredient is hibiscus. I'm going to be using hibiscus flower for this. If you have hibiscus powder, please feel free to use it. I'm going to be using about 5 to 8 flowers. I'm going to be using 5 to 8 hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus makes your hair look healthy and lustrous. It prevents premature graying. It thickens hair and adds volume. My best part is the fact that it thickens hair and adds volume. This is so true, guys. So our next ingredient for this hairspray is fenugreek. Fenugreek has so many amazing benefits for hair growth, among which includes its ability to control hair loss, triggers hair growth. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds into the jar. Fenugreek also helps with hair regrowth. It nourishes hair and scalp. They equally work as natural conditioners. So the next thing that I'm going to be adding is hot water, about 2 cups of water. I'm so sorry about what you can see on the screen. It kind of looks blurry. That was actually caused by the hot water flames. I'm so sorry about that. So after adding in the 2 cups of hot water, I will go ahead and then give this a good mix using my wooden spatula. Next, cover the jar with the lid and then let this sit for 8 hours or more to brew. Do not allow this to sit overnight. There is no need keeping this overnight or fermenting this overnight. Just pour hot water. The hot water is just going to help this infuse, and 8 hours is just perfect. You can do 8 to 10 hours depending, but do not exceed 10 hours. This is after 8 hours, and that's what the content looks like. The content is more concentrated now. At first it was light, now it's now darker. So I'll go ahead and then sieve this. After 8 hours, this should have been cold and not hot anymore. So I'll go ahead and sieve this using a sieve and a bowl to collect our leave-in spray. After sieving, you will notice that the fenugreek has doubled in size. You can actually reuse these fenugreek seeds by rinsing them and then blending it into a paste, which you can use as your DIY fenugreek mask. Next, transfer the spray into a spray bottle for easy application. Cover up and voila, our leave-in spray is ready. Our super potent leave-in spray is ready for you. So guys, I'm going to be demonstrating this for you all to see how I use this. I actually use this as a leave-in conditioner. No need to rinse it out. Do not rinse this out. So what I usually do before spraying this is to first finger detangle my hair. From what you can see that I've already detangled my hair prior to this. So what I'm doing now is just to unravel the twist and then spray this on my hair. From what you can see, you will notice that the liquid sits on my hair. That's because I have low porosity hair. Products tends to sit on this hair type, and you may be needing little effort to get this product saturated on the hair strands. So after spraying that, I'll go ahead and apply my oil on it. So this oil is going to serve as a sealant, something that can help lock in the moisture. I'm supposed to use a leave-in conditioner and maybe hair butter, so I'm going to be skipping all of that. You can actually use it this way, or you can use it the other way that I just explained. Whichever way you choose, the most important thing is just for you to apply this on your hair, irrespective of the method. You can equally use this on your protective styles. Just spray it and you're good to go. I highly recommend this treatment for people with fine natural hair. If you've got fine natural hair, or you know anybody who have got fine natural hair, kindly share this video with them. This can actually thicken up your hair, not just fine hair. I highly recommend this for all hair types. But if you have got fine natural hair, fragile hair, I advise you use this on your hair. If possible, spray it on your hair daily, and within a month you will see your hair thickening up. No joke guys, you can try this out. I have been getting a lot of messages on my Instagram lately, and that's from people who complain that their hair isn't growing, their hair is stuck at a certain hair length. Why not try out this treatment, remain consistent with it, and then watch your hair grow. Guys, healthy hair requires commitment. You have to put in the work and then watch your hair grow. Whichever treatment you're using, ensure you remain consistent. Consistency is key. Take for instance, you start to use this, ensure you remain consistent. Do not jump into using another. Remain consistent so you know which is doing the job. Guys, this leave-in is the bomb. You shouldn't joke with it. If you have problem areas, thinning edges, or any issue at all on your hair, concentrate this treatment on those problem areas and then watch those areas improve. Guys, this treatment is 100% natural, no preservatives, no harmful chemicals, all natural ingredients. Guys, you can never go wrong with using natural ingredients on your natural hair. The worst thing that can happen is that you do not like the ingredients and you discontinue use. Feel free to explore all natural ingredients and then take notes, find out the one that works for you and then stick with it. That's just the trick. Natural ingredients are safe for your natural hair. They can never damage your hair. That's just the truth. So feel free to explore as many natural ingredients as possible. While you explore, take notes, listen to your hair, and that's all.